Hey, Matt here with 911R, and we have this 72 RSR hot rod build that we did about 4 or 5 years ago. I completed this car. This car I started with a bare 72 911 chassis, and we stripped it down with media blast down to bare metal. The car has EB steel flares on it, front and rear. And it has EB fiberglass front and rear bumpers and fiberglass ducktail on the back. Everything on this car was touched. The bottom side of this car looks just as good as the top side of this car. You got the rubber hooks on the front, then we still have the safety latch. A lot of people don't put those on, the hoods go fly open. But if you look inside here, we got the larger Carrera fuel tank in here, so you get a lot more than a standard 72 fuel tank. We got the elephant cross bracing frame struts. We get, also another thing we just actually added to this car was a vapor trapper, so you don't get the fuel vapors from these old cars. Odyssey, lightweight AGM battery, cool like vent covers and smuggler box covers, spare tire. Every seal, everything was done on this car. It's finished in PPG, single stage Viper green paint, and the whole car has been PPF. Center fuel gas tank, H4 lights. Again, everything is really well done and fitted and finished. The paint is glass smooth. It's show car paint quality on it. All new seals, glass. The framework on the windows and around the trim stuff, we had this all stripped, polished, then with a clear powder coat on it, so it looks really nice. It's weared really good. It looks really, like a factory would be, but maybe better. On the inside, it's this car is an RSR, so it's real RSR-esque and race quality type stuff. We have Alcantara in the door tops, Alcantara dash, Alcantara lower dash. On the seats, these are GTS Classics seats. I had these custom made. I've done a few different sets of these cars for cars we built with the brass grommets and the exposed amber fiberglass. Looks really good and very clean. We got a Wevo shifter in the car with the aluminum tall one. All the gauges have been redone. Has a 10K tack in it. They all look nice and bright and work great. Also has the 911R roll bar. This is a roll bar we developed and we put in a lot of these cars. But let's get back to the back of it, and this is where all the beauty of this car is. This is a 3-liter aluminum motor that we short stroked to a 3.2, the Max Moritz kit. It has a custom designed cam in it that we worked with. That has full raw sport Motec fuel injection on it with the Gen V ITBs. Rips, starts right up, idles really smooth. Revs always 72 RPM, just wants to keep going. Wevo mounts. The transmission has all been fully rebuilt as well. It's got a guard, limited slip in it. 911R style rear tail lights, which are really cool. It has the braid RSR style deep 12-inch wheels in the back and 9s in the front. The Michelin TB tires on it, we just installed on it last year. It has full coilover suspension, Tarot RSR sway bars front and rear. This car just has everything possibly can have. Also has the elephant cooled lines on the front to a massive oil cooler in the front. Some people will say, gosh, why doesn't it have the oil door since the 72, which would normally here? When we build these big motors, you have to have enough oil for them. Otherwise you get oil starvation. So we have a later Carrera oil tank in the Carrera location would be. It picks up about 2.5 quarts of oil, so you have a lot better oil and cooling and just availability for when you run hard. Dansk sport muffler. Other really cool thing, zoom in here, 930 brake calipers. These were brand new. They weren't like old ones that were redone. I bought brand new ones from Porsche and put them on this car when we did the car. Long stud wheel nuts. I mean, just so many details on this thing. It's just really, really cool. Headliner's beautiful in it. RSR, carpet kit. Race Tech belts. I mean, you could put 3-point belts in the car if you want, but the 4 points actually, as soon as you get them set, they work really nice. Again, we up at my Portland location, we do 2 or 3 builds a year, and they're real high quality. We have great technicians that build these cars and do them through the whole process, and we're very, very passionate about them. Any questions, please use the contact seller button. I'm happy to talk about it, or you can get a hold of me on the phone as well. But these are real specialty cars to me, and we'd love to see the next person with it. But also, if you're ever interested in 911R representing a car for you, hit us up as well. Thank you.